employment for our officers is huge. It's a supplement to the income that the officers earn. While our officers are paid what I think is a fair wage, it certainly isn't always sufficient to raise a family. And so there is the need for secondary employment, an opportunity to make some extra money to help the families. So I think it's vital for the officers. Number two is it's huge for our community. So what it does is it provides additional law enforcement security in our community at various hours throughout the day at the expense of these businesses that are hiring the officers, not at the expense of those who are paying for the services in our community.
Right.
As I had an opportunity to read all of the specific allegations, there were things in there that I had hoped had been brought to me prior to something like this being put together. I understand why the investigation was done, and I'm comfortable with the findings. I hate that the issues that happened. I think we've addressed them. I think we've sufficiently addressed them, and and quite frankly, we're moving forward. Well, we've got a new policy in place that I think is very comprehensive, and we have an individual now assigned whose role and responsibility is to focus on this very specific issue. He makes sure that our folks are complying with the policy, and he makes sure that this community has the coverage that it should have when it comes to secondary employment as best as we can fill the jobs. Not unlike family, You may have disagreement in family, but you still love each other,